Now this example, unlike the last one, is a bit more problematic because we have x's on both sides of the equation. So you can't just slip to a flowchart, you've got to get the x's all on one side. Now the way I do this is I look at the equation and I see that I've got 3x on one side and I've got negative 2x on the other side. Which is the smaller number of x's? Well, clearly a negative is smaller than a positive, so negative 2x is the smaller number. What's the opposite of subtracting 2x? It would be adding 2x. So I'm going to start by adding 2x to both sides of this equation. Now when I do that, over here I've got 3x plus 2x, so that's 5x, and don't forget the minus 4 is still there. Over here, I've removed the x's. Minus 2x plus 2x, there's no x's there anymore. Now I've got an equation of a type that I know how to do. So let's look at building that expression. We multiply by 5. We subtract 4. To undo that, we're going to add 4, divide by 5. So 5x minus 4, add 4 is 21, add 4. So 5x equals 25, and then we're going to divide by 5, giving me x equals 5. So it's solved. In this one, I've got 9x on one side, I've got 5x on the other. 5x is definitely smaller than 9x. They're both positive, remember. So what I'm going to do is subtract 5x to get rid of the 5x from the left. Remember, I have to subtract it from both sides because we always have to do the same thing to both sides. So over here I've got 4x, and don't forget this plus 7. And over here the x's will have disappeared and I'm left with a negative 13. So x multiplied by 4 gives me 4x. Then I add 7, 4x plus 7. So to go back, we've got negative 7, we've got divided by 4. And so 4x plus 7, take away 7 is negative 13, take away 7. So that's 4x on this side, negative 20 on that side, divide by 4, that gives me x is negative 5.